let's dive into a super common LLM problem when they just make stuff up. We've all been there, right? Scrambling for a quick fix when your model starts hallucinating. And you've probably heard this advice a million times. Just set the temperature to 0. Simple enough?
But here's the thing, that fix is based on a flawed analogy from physics. Let's break it down.
In physics, temp changes the system. In LLMs, it only changes how you pick from it. The model's internal probabilities don't change at all. You're just forcing it to pick its top choice. So if the model is confused to begin with, that confusion is still there, just hiding. You're not actually making it smarter or more certain, just more predictable in its answers. And this can be really dangerous. It creates an illusion of certainty, even when it's consistently wrong. So, if cooling the model is a myth, what's the real solution here? The answer is all about how you talk to it. It's about structured communication. And no, this isn't just a coder thing. It's about using clear, natural language. So, how do you do it? Well, it really boils down to these 4 key things. I mean, just look at the difference. The prompt on the right leaves way less room for error. This is how you actually shrink the field of possible answers and guide the model correctly. So stop trying to tweak settings. Instead, focus on giving it crystal clear instructions. You don't cool it into correctness. You guide it into clarity. Makes you wonder what other LLM hacks are myths.